guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something a little different. This is literally like on film right now. This is my first time that I will be blacking out my eyebrows. So if you don't know what that is, it's essentially when you use glue and powder to kind of like omit your eyebrows from your face. So the first thing you do is take an alcohol wipe or, you know, just a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and a tissue or whatever, and get the oils out of your eyebrows. This could be from moisturizer or your skin. This is me forgetting that my phone flipped, or like slid, and yeah. So first thing I did was go ahead and scrub in, like literally scrub the glue in. And it's gonna look a little daunting because it's gonna be purple, but it dries down clear. And then like, yeah, back and forth, like those kind of motions. And I took this double-ended brush and then I literally brushed straight up. So I just looked really surprised. And then letting that dry down completely before doing another layer where I just brush straight up. I don't scrub, you're just going straight up. And then again, letting that dry, do both eyebrows. And then third layer, same deal. You're gonna brush straight up after they're dried. Brush, and then you're gonna go ahead and set that with powder while it's still tacky. I did mine while it was still tacky, and I think it just held the best personally. Because in the end, I was actually very pleased with how this turned out. And then I take a brush, get all the other crap that's in it out, brush away the excess, put on color corrector because my eyebrows are dark even though I'm a blonde. Every now and then I dye them, sometimes they just grow in dark, it just depends. So then I blend that out. Me going, I don't know, maybe. And then I powder those down because you want to create this thick layer that's going to encapsulate your eyebrow hairs because you want it to be a smooth canvas, is what I gather. This is me taking the most high coverage concealer I have. I will link everything down below that I use per usual. I actually like this concealer a lot. I did not powder it in the end because I know it dries. Actually pretty much just dries, so I didn't want it to be a whole nother texture if I decided to put a BB cream or a foundation on top of this. And here's the final product, all blacked out. I will say the front needed a little bit more love, but that's about it. Thank you, love you guys, bye.